Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable background apps on Windows, whether Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's go. Now you can try to disable all background apps or disable a specific background app or disable background apps for a specific app. We're going to look at the three methods. The first we're going to do is to disable all background apps. If you want to do this, simply press the Windows key and the I key to open up your settings, and then from there from here, what we're going to do is click on privacy and security. Mine is just privacy. And next thing you're going to do is select background apps. You can see it under app permissions. Selecting background apps, then next thing you're going to do is toggle off let apps run in the background. Just turn it off. And now you've closed or disabled all background apps. Now if you only want to disable a specific background app, when you get here, instead of turning this off here, choose the one you want to disable. For example, I don't want this to run in the background. You can see anyone you don't want to run in the background, just turn it off. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.